skills TTP. And, I hear a little noise, but I told you that I stay in real time. I do stuff, actual stuff. I'm not stuck in a room. Okay? And so when I told you that about the sign, it was 3 years ago. And I told you that I have to get enough analysis and data on someone or something. So when I came here, when I bought this is on the door. And I never really tripped on it. And this is not about racial stuff, black and white stuff, or whatever like this. I'm going to tell you what this is about. This is about land. This is about a certain area that is pretty much controlled by, I guess, these people. I mean, long because if you don't know, in the rural areas and this stuff, they live really low, so they don't want any disruption or something that's going to change that. And so I wanted to tell you that because I don't have to make up stuff. I have enough content. I don't have to make up stuff. And I don't really say a lot of stuff because I'm very diverse. I don't get into the racial thing. This is not about black and white. You know what this is? This is about how I was going to react to it. And if I believe that I am somehow connected with the 60s or the 50s or whatever this relates to, what I understood this to be after 3 years, after doing my analysis, is that this had all to do with area and land and nothing to do with anything racial. Because there's cool people around here. I met my neighbors across the street, over here on the side. The dude behind me, we exchanged numbers. He has his place back there. So everybody that I know around here of importance, we know each other. So it's not even a racial thing. This is stupid stuff. And I told you, that's not a good idea. When you think I'm gonna flash, see, right now somebody watching this would say, "Man, I wouldn't, man." I'm telling, because they don't understand this. They don't understand the history. They don't look nothing up. They don't understand where they're at, the area. Maybe check it out, see what it was. Was it assessed with drugs, meth, whatever? You have to understand what's going on here before you do that, unless somebody's personally attacking you. This thing wasn't. This was just based really to see. You got life skills, because there's a lot of people even on YouTube with that mess. You got life. I'm telling you, in real time, I use them. The power of shared experience. Check out. I have a breakdown analysis of this. Is dropping tomorrow. I might drop this video today. Either way, I'm gonna link it up. This is Life Skills TTP. Thank you, and I appreciate you.